You use chat apps every day, but have you ever thought of having one of your own? Think of all your friends, family, and acquaintances. Do you know anyone that doesn't use a chat app? Chances are you don't. Everyone uses them, and if you're like most people, you have multiple accounts on multiple apps. So why not start your own chat app and be an owner rather than a user? This course teaches you how. We will build a chat app together with a multitude of functionalities. User accounts, real-time communication, profile screens, status updates, and even sending SMS messages to users that don't have an account to ask them to install. This course is made with beginners in mind. If you have little to no development experience, this is your chance to learn Android by building a real-world application that is used by millions of people worldwide. There is something for the advanced developer as well. Real-time communication, Firebase storage, and user accounts are just some of the topics we will be covering. So take the step and sign up today, and let's start building your very own chat application.